Channel Maths and Methods Academy. Today we will try to solve an exponential equation which is x raised to power 2 over 3 plus 54 is equal to 15 into x raised to power 1 over 3. So let's get on with our solution. This equation can be rewritten as x raised to power 1 over 3 whole square plus 54 is equal to 15 this is 1 over 3. So 15 into x raised to power 1 over 3. We will call this equation number 1. In order to get rid of exponential part of this equation at this point, we will assume y is equal to x raised to power 1 over 3. So let's substitute this value of y into equation number 1. By doing so, we get y squared plus 54 is equal to 15y. Now we will transfer all the terms of this equation on one side. So we will get y squared minus 15y plus 54 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic formula and can be solved easily with the help of a quadratic. With the quadratic formula it can be solved. So the general form of quadratic equation is ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. By comparing these two equations, we will get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 15 and c is equal to 54. So we will write it here: a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 15 and c is equal to 54. The quadratic formula looks like y is equal to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now we will substitute the values of a, b and c in this formula. So y is equal to minus into minus 15 plus minus square of minus 15 minus 4 into a's value 1 and c's value 54 over 2 into 1. Minus into minus 15 is plus 15 plus minus 15 square is 225 minus 4 into 4 and 4 multiplied by 54 is 216 over 2. So 15 plus minus square root of 9 over 2. So y is equal to 15 plus minus 3 over 2. So now y will be equal to either 15 plus 3 over 2 or y is equal to 15 minus 3 over 2, y is equal to 18 over 2 or y is equal to 12 over 2. So the final values of y are y is equal to 9 or y is equal to 6. Now we will substitute back the value of y which we assumed in the beginning of this question, that was x raised to power 1 over 3 is equal to 9 or x raised to power 1 over 3 is equal to 6. We will apply cube on both sides of the equations. X raised to power 1 over 3 raised to power 3 is equal to 9 raised to power 3 or x raised to power 1 over 3 and then raised to power 3 is equal to 6 raised to power 3. This 1 over 3 and 3 when we multiply it will become 1. So x is equal to cube of 9 will be equal to 729. Same here, when we will take power of 1 over 3, x raised to power 1 over 3, it will become 1. So x is equal to 6 cube is equal to 216. So the solution set of our question is 729, 216, and this is the answer of this question. And that's all for now. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Until next time, take care of yourself and bye bye.